Hi everyone, it's Joy Kim Metalios, and today I'm so excited to bring to you one of the most beautiful homes in Greenwich. It is waterfront with breathtaking views, and it was custom built. So come on inside, I'm really excited to show it to you.
Enter through this remarkable speakeasy door and be greeted by a dramatic formal living room. Follow the wide plank floors into the dining room with 12-foot ceilings and gorgeous views of the side yard. A spacious adjacent family room boasts more stunning views and a unique fireplace made with rounded stones hand-picked from a farm in Huntington, Connecticut. This open concept area includes a custom kitchen with an extra-large island and breakfast nook. Walk out to a terrace with a built-in grill and waterfront dining. Rounded areas, curves, arches, turrets, crown moldings, and beautiful chandeliers are design features throughout this home. The master bedroom suite takes up one full wing of the home. Upon entrance, there are double walk-in closets, a fireplace, a generous-sized bedroom with French doors to a private Juliet balcony, a tranquil seating area for reflection and privacy to enjoy a morning tea or meditation with calming water views. The master suite is your own luxurious getaway spot. There's not enough words to describe this opulent master bathroom. A large three-sided glass shower is impressive, luxurious soaking tub, and a creatively designed double sinks. What person wouldn't adore this vanity area? There are decorative ceilings throughout, from barreled, tray, coffered, and vaulted. Every bedroom is on the second floor and has an ensuite bathroom, most with water views. This room is fun for kids or teens who want a loft space to play or hang out with their friends. The latter is hidden in the walk-in closet, making it seem like a secret hiding spot. There's also a secret passageway to another bedroom. Just one more feature of this home making it magical. Step up to a bedroom suite that will amaze your guests with its own seating area with French doors to a Juliet balcony over the water. There are many levels to the outdoor area, offering you a spacious flat yard, privacy stone wall, climbing and turning terraces, balconies, outdoor fireplace, and storage rooms for sports and tools, while enjoying river activities like kayaking and canoeing in the summer, and skating parties with bonfires on the ice in the winter.
So, can you imagine waking up to this view every day and having a cup of coffee outside? It is spectacular. There's so much more to see in this house, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and it's always a treat to show. So please give me a call and I'd be happy to make an appointment for you.